How to download and install Deepseek AI application on PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to download and install Deepseek AI app on PC. Without further ado, let's begin. First, launch a web browser on a device. For demo, let's open Google Chrome. Click search bar. Now type in Deepseek. On the results section, click on the first link which is the official website of Deepseek. So click to open it. On this interface, click Start Now button. After that, you simply need to log in or create account using Google, or instead you can easily click three dots at top right. Now you need to scroll down and look for Cast Save and Share and a new menu will appear. Click on Install Page as an app. This menu will appear where we can install this page as an app. This will open in a window. You can easily give a name to it and click on Install button. And then it has already been installed. You can easily go ahead and check your desktop as well. So let's go ahead and close this. And as you can see that we have successfully installed and downloaded Deepseek on our laptop or PC. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.